2018 Dodge Charger. Inject some versatility, comfort, and sophistication into your muscle. The Charger is a powerful sedan that excites at every turn. Peace of mind comes standard with Charger's 5-star government front and side impact crash test rating. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, keyless entry, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, alloy wheels, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, keyless start, auto-dimming rear view mirror, floor mats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.